people, today I have a cool video on how to extend Ethernet to basically any room in your house if your router is somewhere far away from your PC. So that's an issue. Ethernet and wired internet is always really fast. And I guess this is really important for streamers out there who want to start live streaming similar to me at 102 Tavern. Go follow our Twitch, link in the description, road to 100 followers. So yeah, it's useful for people who want to stream, right? You want a solid Ethernet connection when doing that. Streaming over Wi-Fi will always be lower quality because you're adding a middleman, and essentially you're adding a second step for that data to be processed and transmitted. So today we have a solution to said issue. I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing, quick setup of this thing. TP-Link, I've actually gotten sponsored by them one time. Or I don't know about sponsored, maybe they just sent me another one of the products, and I actually use that right now on my PC. It's basically a Wi-Fi extender to give you better Wi-Fi speeds, but for streaming, that's probably not enough. This is something you want to pick up. So this is the AV1000. This is essentially a Ethernet extender that transmits your Ethernet signal or internet signal through the circuits in your house, which is really cool. This is an old technology. And it's super awesome if you want to extend a wired internet connection across all your house, all the rooms in your house. So let's quickly cut this bad boy open and let's actually hop into this, and I'll show you what's on the inside of this box. Dimensions are small, 128-bit AES encryption, up to 300 meters, 1,000 feet over existing electrical wiring. This comes with the two adapters, the two Ethernet cables, and then a installation guide. And here is just a picture of what it says. And here's a diagram of essentially how this works. My camera probably can't focus on it, but let's unbox this thing and I'll show you what's on the inside. Here's the stuff it comes with. Here's the installation guide. Two Ethernet cables, one for each side to plug it from your router to one of the adapters, and then the other one from where your PC is, that adapter into your PC. Here's the first one. That's what it looks like. I haven't seen too many videos on the internet of this product. I don't know why, but I'm going to be showing you how this works and will it actually increase the speed of my internet? Since I'm probably the most extreme example of this for people with internet issues. My connection's fine, but the issue is I'm just far away from my router, so streaming, everyday tasks I can do fine with my Wi-Fi, right? There's no issues, but because I have fast internet, the issue is it's just for live streaming, you can't be doing that over Wi-Fi. It's just as I said, there's a middleman involved with the data transfers, and it's just the bit rate looks terrible. Not terrible, but not as good. But here's the thing. It's really small. It's smaller than a credit card. And there's a pair button. You hold pair on one, and then you have 60 seconds. You have to run upstairs. Then you click the pair button on the other one. And then they should link up. And yeah, that's essentially how it works. Let me actually film it and show you guys that process. Okay, people. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to plug one end into here, and then the other into my actual PC, which is over here. That's a good angle. And we're gonna plug that in. If I can actually find the slot. There we go. There we go. So we come around back to the actual Xfinity router / modem. We have it plugged into the back using our cable right there. And then we have it plugged into the wall right here. I think the key is you don't want to plug it into a surge protector. That can ruin the whole signal. You want to plug it directly into the wall right there. And then, it's already paired right now, but the way to pair it is you click this pair button right at the top here. It'll start flashing, and then you go up to the other one, hit the pair button, hold it down, and it should be paired, and you should be good to go. Okay, people, so that's going to be it for the TP-Link AV1000, ideal for 4K streaming. Let's hop in to speed test. and let's see what kind of internet I'm getting. I already tested, obviously. I can tell you the quality is pretty solid. Let's hop into it. And if you haven't already subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel, Life Made Easy. We're growing. We're going to reach 50K subs. And if you want to watch me live stream some video games, go check me out on Twitch at 102 Tavern and check out my YouTube channel at 102 Tavern. Okay, so let's see what kind of internet we're going to get here. Obviously, it just showed it, but as you can see, I'm getting like over 100 down. I didn't get this previously when on Wi-Fi. I was getting probably like 80s, 90s on average. So I'm seeing like roughly like a 10 to 15% increase right now. And also download speed seems pretty solid. I was getting on average roughly like 15 beforehand, and now I'm getting over 20. So another pretty substantial like percentage increase there. I don't know about latency. I haven't tested my internet in a while, but I'm assuming that latency has also gone down. And yeah, your internet connection is very fast, and I can stream 4K whatever I want. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video of Life Made Easy. Hopefully this video was educational and also entertaining. And I appreciate all you guys. Go follow me on Twitch. As I mentioned earlier, we're shooting for 100 followers on Twitch. Gonna be doing some giveaways over there and also streaming some Modern Warfare 2. And yeah, we can also go check me out on TikTok. That's linked below, I think. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everyone.